have three resistors in series connected to 12 volt. The first resistor has a value of 10 kilo ohm, 20 kilo ohm, and the third one 30 kilo ohm. So we will name this one R1 equal, this one is R2 equal, and this R3 equal. To make it easy for you, I suggest that you draw a table. Draw a table. This is R value, and we need to calculate V, I, and P, power. So here's for 1, 2, 3, and this is total. What do we have here as given? We have R1 as 10 kilo ohm. We have R2 as 20 kilo ohm. And we have R3 as 30 kilo ohm. The 12 volt, this voltage, is the V total. So here's the V total, 12 volt. So first step is to find R total. R total is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This equation is for series circuit. So 10K plus 20K plus 30K, which is 60 k ohm. So here we write 60 kilo ohm. What's the next step? We have here R total, we have V total, then we can find I total because we have R total and V total. I total is equal to V total over R. I total is equal to V total over R total. What is this? This is Ohm's law. So V total is 12 volt. R total is 60 kilo ohm. 60 kilo is 60 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3. How do we write this in the calculator? 12 over 60 times 10 to the power of 3 equal 200 times 10 to the power minus 6, or no, let's, which is 0.2 milliampere. The 200 multiplied by okay. So here we have 0.2 milliampere. This is I total. The next step is to find I1, I2, and I3. Since we have here a series circuit, then the same current that goes out of the voltage source will run through the circuit. It's the same current. The I total is the same I1 that runs through the resistor, the first resistor, and it's the same current that will go to the second resistor, and it's the same current that runs through the third resistor, and it will go back to the power source. So I1 is equal to I2 is equal to I3 is equal to I total, which is 0.2 milliampere. .2 milliampere, 0.2 milliampere. What's the next step here? We can find V1, V2, and V3. V1, V2, V3. V1 is equal to I1 times R1. V2 is equal to I2 times R2. V3 is equal to I3 times R3. This is also Ohm's law. So 0.2 milli times R1 is 10 kilo. So 0.2 times 10 to the power of minus 3 times 10 3 2 volt. The next one, I2 is the same, 0.2 milliampere times 20 kilo. It will be 4 volts. Same thing here, 0.2 milli times 30k. It will be 6 volt. So this is 2 volts, 4 volts, and 6 volt. To double check with our answer, let's add the 2 and the 4 and the 6. We will get the 12 volt, which is the total voltage. So 2 plus 4 plus 6 will be equal to 12, which is the total voltage. Last thing is the power. We can find P1 is equal to I1 times V1. P2 is equal to I2 times V2. P3 is equal to I3 times V3. 0.2 milli times 2, which is 0.4 milliwatt. 0.2 milli times 4, which is 0.8 milliwatt. 0.2 milli times 6, 1.2 milliwatt. For P total, we can just add the 3 powers that we have, or you can multiply I total with V total. If I total times V total, I total is 0.2 milli times 12 volt, which is 2.4 milliwatt. Let's try it the other way. P1 plus P2 plus P3, 0.4 plus 0.8 plus 1.2, 0.4 plus 0.8 plus 1.2, 2.4. And don't forget the milli, and the unit is watt. So this is the answer. Thank you.